Well, we might have a bit more scrap here. I'm going up the door first, eh? Radiator. And a few buckets. Hi mate, I was just wondering if the radiator's for scrap.
Yes, mate.
Thank you very much, buddy. Yeah, for scrap. Somebody told me to get the magnets on these, so on the alley, I think. Let's have a look. No, that one's still. Tubs are full of rubbish, I taking them. Alright, let's go and get some more stuff here. Alright.
Alright, feel free, anything you want there.
Yeah, I'll take all that, mate.
Right.
Yes.
I don't think we've got anything in there. You can have a look in there. What's it?
In the skiff.
I don't think there's anything.
I'll have a look. Years now, so money at the end of the day.
Yeah.
She gets good money. Alright, I've just had this off these ladies. I'm gonna get it on. I'm gonna get some more taff. Oh, you're gonna bang that. I'm gonna keep that for my shed. Alright, got a bit more. I don't even know what that is. What is it? I think it goes into shelves, you know. Yeah. Yeah, it does now. Huh. Well, let's have it back up. And have it on the truck. I actually got that woman who gave me the jet wash. She gave me some alley ladders, some more alley ladders. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, look at that jet wash. It should work, that jet wash. It's like new in the box. Let's go and get some more tack, guys. I hit. Yeah. Now you're on YouTube. Right, guys, we just had this tumble dryer and washing machine off this guy here. Thank you very much. Get this loaded. I'm going to get some more tack, eh? Right, we got a bit more. What we got? What we got? Oh, a bit of banding and some poles. Let's have it on, eh? Oh. Give us some more tack. Right, we've got a bit more tack here, guys. Yes, mate. You don't give me a door number.
Oh, sorry, I'm going to give you that. Yeah, this is the...
Oh, the body, yeah, I have to check that for you, my friend. No worries at all.
Appreciate that.
No worries, mate. No problem at all.
Alright, thanks. Oh, there's a bit of wood coming out.
Right, well, we're at it. So you got a new all the way through? Just spends silly. Just silly. Spend silly money. Thank you for that, my friend.
No problem.
Have a good day, buddy. Cheers. Right, that's all. Let's go and get some more tat here. Right, we've got a bit more tat here. I picked this up this morning, but luckily it's still here. That's handy. Right, have the towel lift down. You know, I never checked that boiler I picked up. Don't know whether they stripped it or not. Let's have this on. Did they strip that boiler? Let's have a look. No, they don't. It's got a bit of alley in it. There you go. Let's get this cooker on and get going. Right, let's go and get some more tatties. Microwave. Let's get my glove on. Let's get it on and get going, eh? Okie dokie guys, let's go and get some more tat. Right, got a bit more guys. Radiator. Oh, it's nice in there, eh? Right, let's go and get some more tat, eh? Right guys, got a bit more here, tumble dryer. Thank you, Nick. Looks like a new one. Right. Put that on. I might be able to sell that if it's a good one. What's the drum I got in it? Yeah, bearings are gone. That's why I've scrapped it. On my way, we'll have that on. There we go guys, let's go and get some more tatties. Look, we've got a bit more here guys, TV. Put that on. Let's go and get some more tatties. Right, we've got a bit more here guys. I'm not going to pull up this cul-de-sac because it's quite nice to turn around. Bed frame. Oh. Hang on one sec. Right, we've got a bit of scrap there. Washing machine, I think. Devon. Once greasing up, it's slow, eh? Take me up, mate. I scare myself to death. I've just been up my mother's, had my coffee. Okay guys, that's the washing machine. We'll have that on, we're going to get some more tatties. Right, we got a bit more. Over. Bit of wire. I love the wire, you know. And another one of these. Going out of fashion fast. Good job, yeah. Let's go and get some more tatties. Oh, we've got a bit more there, paper shredder, good motor, bit of wire. Let's have it on. Okie dokie guys, let's go and get some more tap. The kitchen sink for scrap. Oh, nice one. Thank you. Got it, the kitchen sink. Oh, there's a bit here. Hello. Bit of stainless, bit of copper. Lovely. Can get some more tap at it. A bit more up here. Big old car speaker. So we've got that bit of a strimmer. Well, it's a complete strimmer actually, I see the whole bit. Nice lump hammer. Speaker. Streamer, car stereo, and whatever that is. Let's go and get some more tat at it. Right, we've got a couple of radiators for scrap. Three of them. Oh no, I'll get them on my trolley soon. Two. Three of them. Right, let's see if I can get these on my trolley. I'll put the camera back on when we get to the truck. Sorry, bud. Yeah. Right. Got them back to the truck. Oh, a good little spot. Got a bit of brass on them and all. And the last one on, we'll get that on. We're going to get some more tack, guys, 8. Oh, we've got a bit more now. I think I might have missed a bit down there by that edge, I don't know. No, so it's that good from here. Nah, it's brick. But we got a bit more here. Weightlifting bench. I'll try and get this on top somewhere. So it's taking all the room up. Oh. Right, let's see if we can get this on the top. There we go. Let's go and get some more tattoos. Oh, we're on. Let me put the camera right. There we go, we've got a bit more there. I'm just going to double check because obviously I'm messing with it. That's for scrap. It's best to check because he might have been covering his car to do a job. You never know. Lovely. Let's go and get some more tattoo. Look, we got a bit more. It's getting late in the day now. I've been out 10 hours. We got an exercise machine. He's not got no wheels on this one. Set the tail lift down. Right, I'm going to have this on the top of there and we'll go and get some more tattoo. I've got a bit more there. Thank you. I've got a tail lift, bud. Sure. Yeah. I've been driving about for got to be an hour now, but that's the first bit I've picked up. Thank you, mate. Yeah. It's nice to get a washer. That's the second washer I picked up today, I think. I'll have to check the video, but I think it's the second. I've still got some, let's see. Oh. Lovely job. That's on. Let's go and get some more tattooed. Got a bit more. Guys just called me over. You alright, bud? Oh, microwave, yeah? Yeah. Thank you very much, my friend. Yeah. We'll take anything these days except for fridges or freezers. Stopped us taking them now. Well, now for a fact, mate. Cheers, buddy. Right, yeah, we've got a bit more tattoo, guys. I don't know if you can see that. I'm working quite late tonight. A battery and an alternator. And then a £4.50 and £6 in that battery, so that's over a tenner. Let's get it loaded, eh? And the battery, I'll have it in the cab. And we'll have the alternator on the back in the non-ferry spoilate. Get on there. Let's go and get some more tattooed. Right, we got a bit more. Couple of alley blinds. We'll have them on. It all adds up now, it all adds up. Get on there. Let's go and get some more, eh?